Hi, lovely people, and welcome to this breath practice. Today will be a pranayama practice, and I want to tell you about alternate nostril breathing. This is a really beautiful practice to help balance the right and left sphere of your brain, helps balance your nervous system, but it can also really help you with focus and allowing your body to calm down. So, all in all, I think this is a beautiful practice that honestly everyone should learn about. So, if you're ready, go into a comfortable seated position and let's begin. So, as we are sitting down, we want to come in a nice straight position, nice breathy position. A position in which you can stay alert but also relax. That would be the ideal position for this practice. We are using our right hand for this practice, and you will have two options. Your pointer finger and middle finger can either rest in between your eyebrows, or you can fold them into the palm of your hand, whatever is more comfortable for you. We will be using our thumb to close off our right nostril. And we are using our ring finger to close off our left nostril. We will be alternating our nostrils as we breathe, like the name of the practice suggests. We will be starting with closing off our right nostril, breathing in through our left, and then switching sides, out through our right nostril, in through right, switch, out through left. So we will be switching after each inhale. Also good to know, if at any point you feel like you're not getting in enough air, feel free to just smuggle a little bit. We don't want you to not have enough oxygen. So even if you are having a cold, which can make it challenging to do this practice, you have the option to just basically do so in your head, which can be very effective as well. So feel free to smuggle if you need to. If you're able to just do the full practice, I would recommend doing that. Nice deep breath in and out to prepare. So deep inhale through your nose. And out to the side. Allowing your shoulders to drop. Now lifting your right hand, closing off your right nostril with your thumb. In through left. Switch and out through right. In through right. Switch out through left. In through left. Switch out through right. You can just keep repeating this pattern for yourself in your own rhythm and tempo. Gently finish off your round until you've exhaled through your left nostril. Now once you're done, you can gently bring your hand back down. And just taking a moment to notice how your body feels after this practice. Know that there's no right or wrong, and how you feel, what you notice. And even if you don't notice anything, that's fine. Just take a moment to check in. And if you're ready, gently open up your eyes. Thank you so much for doing this practice with me today. I hope you enjoyed this practice. I think it's such a valuable practice to do, and I hope you will share this video with anyone you feel like could use this practice as well. If you enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up and maybe consider subscribing to my channel if you would like to see more yoga and meditation practices. I wish you a lovely rest of your day, and I hope to see you soon. Bye!